Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kawai kalong kami ke batray kum ke booth level officer jong 19 South Shillong Laban constituency banlum jingtip na kebenta ke Election Commission of India. Kala syak kena Nongthok hagi arngot ki Kurim ki balathar ru ya kadur jong ka haga WhatsApp ban pensapriang bagadai ke reu thok reu syukur. Kani ke booth level officer kabalatip kerteng kum ka kong banri haga jingya kren bat kilat pathai kubor haga la sngi ublei ka khat khandai tarik unai lor arjar arfuar kalaya tho ba kat ba kadangya lenti hathrang hok rangar road kawai ka kenthai kala wan yeng kan sana khamat jongka bat ong bau kurim jongka udai ubatrei haga office jong superintendent of police bat shandoru yaka daga mobile phone. Kalau ong ru batang hadin kat to gani por u kurim jongka ula pensapriang ya gani gadur jongka ha WhatsApp da ka bakeno bakadai ga reu thok reu syukur. Ha ka bai dei bat gani ga jingja baro ki booth level officer kilaya lumlang ha Assam Club Laban ban ajing kershan ya ka kong banri bat ban mudui da ka ejahar syaki pulit ka East Khasi Hills district.
Go. Okay. Dengan room as usual terakhir bhi Dalai introduce wala dia. Yang kong ni ide ita ni wana ko election commission. Le biati minta baka epek baka pankan di habling. The way she talk to me ni ngasu snap amar ba. Ngadon hak duty ngamla panangan ngan friend root ikibe. Dia ko nga ilok jonga first of all ko ilok jonga itri ko SP. Tengok ngasu snap. Dia kong am friend ilok jonga tengok okay. Tapi dan friend ilok jonga Tengangan lek bangan keren the next door neighbor. Tengang lek kata kau wei yeng. Pada kau yeng jong father-in-law jong ka. Kami parakan si jong ka tu orang ba. Oh ngala ngan habis dia ke ipin. Tengang orang ini ngompet before bangin ini kena campaign 1 week in Shong Hang dia apa Assam Club telah dah fidan kam kendo sawan ni kendo ini. Te orang okey. Te kau ingat sawan yang kong itu keberi kong. Kau yang tiga steps. And that moment she clicked my photo without my consent, without my knowledge. Dengan am tiba kada klik photo, mesti klik ia ke sudah dengan. Anda kong ngasngap. Abang kat dia ngira dia dengan orang kuno yang keparat pelan. Teko dengan iPhone number jofi. Orang kata tak kepamla lo dengan iPhone number jangan. Orang fi kuat kerani log jofi. Keren dah ke phone jofi ngan keren. Teko dengan okey ngam ngimdon kamshu. Ngali pai no. In the evening time, ngam ti belajar kita foto bakal viral. Bakal tho hangta please share this photo. But long kam means kam tho fraud, but the sentence is written there that I am fraud. But nowadays they are telling a pay ta ke. Segala ada nang tu phone ni assistant dan basno. Yang iba Hubert marban yang. Dia ngai kubule yi lain dan hang dia ru. Dan dia dia nak bi yang ngam numpoi hadu kan dia level. Dia nang tahu dia di nak yang yang balak viral ke foto. Dareng ane show usi. Dan nilai keren nilai shinjongka. Dan nilai shinjongka ni kong kidinai yang bangim deh. Dan nang tu betul tinggi yang ikum no dah kamdei kumno kena ke foto kan ni. Kong I never use social media. Dia kumno kena ke WhatsApp padon hang ni. Kumno kan show viral. Kumno kan show poi show borok koi ke social shilong jengi ni ibarat. In a click button na spread lot. Dia dadap nang tahu dia ngakot bat ngapane ke jingkersan lang ke jong pi barokin amal mentang ini si SP nantu ini si DC tingin ini si CEO tingin a kini ki copy ki jongi tengah kuat from away ke sur baking ini ong bangin num compromise kat kami kat because complaints against the person for obstruction Election Commission of India exercise impersonations of police employees and criminal defamation through social media. Respected sir, in reference to the above subject, I wish to file a complaint against an individual who has publicly defamed me beyond comprehensions by posting false and defamatory information about me on social media, thereby obstructing me in the official discharge of my duties as deputed by the Election Commission of India the lady also complained that her husband was employed as at the East Khasi District SP office. The complaint is as follows. That, sir, I am an employee of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, currently on the quotations to the Election Commission of India as a booth level officer of 19 South Shillong. The order from the office of the East Khasi Deputy Commissioner issued under Rule 13B2 of the Representation of the People Act 1950, dated Shillong, the 24th August 2022, with official intimation to the office of the Rangba Shillong Laban, hereby enclosed for your kind reference. That, sir, on September the 16th, 2022, as I was carrying out my normal duty of collecting information from household in Nongthok Regard Road to enable linking of Epic with Aadhaar at around 2 p.m. I reached house number 21, the residence of Sri Amir Nongri. I pressed the bell, which was answered, Srimati Renu Rimbai, his wife. I introduced myself and briefed her about my mission, but she said that she would first seek her husband's permission before obliging me. That's not to waste time, I left telling her that meanwhile I would collect similar information from the neighboring house of Sri Jamil Nongri, whose son responded by politely telling me that the documents were misplaced and that he was too busy to look for them at present. I accepted his explanation and said I would come back later. That's I headed back to Sri Nongri house, and while I was climbing up the stairs, Srimati Renu Rimbai quickly took a picture of me with her phone without my consent and asked me for my phone number instead. She said that her husband, an employee at the SP office, would like to ask to me before sharing my information. Taking aback, I politely told her that I will not share my phone number, but that I would willingly talk to her husband through her phone and would explain to him about the purpose of my official duty. However, to my surprise, she rudely responded that she would not talk to me and shut the door, causing me to leave.
Ini saya ikut kepada kambarok. Dia mentangnya ada suami berapa di bang ada ini. Dia yang nangin sekunti ini. Dia kalau saya berhak dijungi dia minta. Minta nang ni ini kondisi. Ini ni ai kini di kot selah dijungi. Nah, siapa jangka siapa CEO, siapa DC. Dah.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.